What I'm about to show you in this video is gonna blow your mind. This is one of the most beautiful gaming laptops I got my hands in the recent times, guys. So on our channel you might have seen plenty of white edition gaming PC builds, right? But have you guys seen like a white gaming laptop? Well, here you go. This is Lenovo's Legion 7i gaming laptop that literally comes in this beautiful glacier white finish, and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video, guys. And not just the looks, guys, the hardware is also like super powerful. But problem with most of these powerful gaming laptops is they're quite bulky and heavy, guys. They're not easy to carry around anywhere, basically not travel friendly. But that is not the case over here. The Legion 7i has a very slim and compact form factor. The whole thickness of this laptop is only around like 0.63 to 0.7 inches, and as I've told you, the whole hardware, spec, features, everything is also like quite interesting, at least on paper. On board it packs like a 16 inches WQXGA resolution 240Hz OLED display. Not to miss out, the laptop is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX, which is a monster processor, guys. 24 core, 24 threads on board, paired with an RTX 5070 GPU with up to 115 watts of TGP. Now that sounds promising, right? So make sure to watch it till the end, because obviously I'll be sharing like a detailed review feedback on this laptop. We'll do variety of benchmarks, gaming performance tests at different resolutions, and obviously talk about the thermal performance as well. So before we get started with the video, let me tell you, this video was made in collab with Lenovo and Intel. A big thank you to them. And by the way, whatever feedback or whatever I'll be talking about the laptop in this video, right, they're completely based on my opinion only, nothing influenced by anyone. So let's get started. So our brand new Legion 7i gaming laptop came in this sort of packaging. Very similar packaging, guys, just like any other Legion gaming laptop. On the front you got the Lenovo badging, Legion branding is also there, and that is pretty much it. There's nothing else mentioned over here. Going to the side here, you can check out all the spec and details. Again, as I've told you, our particular laptop is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX variant of the CPU. We'll talk about all the hardware spec and configuration once we get started with the whole unboxing. So without wasting any more time, let me quickly open the package and show you the laptop. There you go. As soon as you open it, our brand new Legion 7i gaming laptop came packed like this. And again, as I've told you, it comes in this beautiful glacier white finish, and from my initial impressions, it actually looks beautiful, right? I mean, check out the whole color scheme. And along with that, you're getting a 245 watt slim power adapter for charging and a mains cord for the adapter. So that was our quick unboxing part. Now let me give you like a closer look at the laptop and talk about the whole design and build quality part. There you go, boys, our very first hands-on and initial impressions at Lenovo's Legion 7i gaming laptop. As I've told you just now, it comes in this beautiful glacier white finish and has a very premium look and feel. In fact, this is literally one of the most beautiful gaming laptops I have seen in my recent times. It's absolutely premium look and feel. Again, at the beginning only I've told you, right, the laptop has a super slim and compact profile. From the side, right, check out the thickness of this laptop. It's hardly around like 0.63 to 0.7 inches only. I mean, damn, Lenovo, how did you guys actually manage to pack powerful hardware in such a slim and compact profile? Definitely appreciate that. Build quality of the laptop is also very good. Not just the top cover, guys, even the bottom cover. In fact, the entire body is made of like aluminum, guys. Aerospace grade aluminum to be precise. And not to miss out, if you actually look at the side rails, right, you're getting a beautiful brushed to metallic sort of finish. I've told you, right, in terms of the looks or premiumness, Lenovo has not compromised in this section. So that's it, our complete overview in the exteriors. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and show you all the available IO connectivity ports on this model. Starting now from the left profile, here you're getting a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port is available, and two USB-C ports are there, and let me tell you, one of them even supports Thunderbolt 4.0 as well. There's also a 3.5mm audio jack included, and that is pretty much it on the left section. There's nothing much on the front side. And going to the right profile, here you're getting a SD card reader, a privacy e-shutter function is also included, so definitely appreciate that, and one more USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port is available, guys. In case if you're wondering where are the remaining ports, well, have a look at the back profile. So here's how the back profile looks like. You're getting plenty of cutouts and vents. Basically, these are your exhaust, guys, to keep the laptop running cool. And at the center, you're getting two more ports, which include a full-sized HDMI port and also a DC in port. This is where you'll be connecting the power adapter for charging the laptop. So that's it, our complete overview on the IO connectivity ports. I think decent amount of ports, guys, will easily get your day-to-day sort of requirements covered. No issues over here. And have a look at the bottom profile as well. You're getting plenty of cutouts at the bottom side, and basically basically features a whole cooling system. This laptop packs Legion cold front hyper cooling system, guys, so I'm like pretty excited to talk about that also. Definitely stay tuned for the benchmarks and gaming performance. They will definitely cover this. You're getting rubber foot pads on all the corners, and in case if you're wondering what are these tiny grills on the lower left and right profile, these are your stereo speakers. So this laptop comes with like 4 watts of stereo speakers that too powered by Nahimic audio. So that was our complete overview on the exteriors. Let me quickly open up the laptop and talk about the interiors as well. The first thing you'll notice as soon as you open the lid of the laptop is you can actually open it using a single hand, guys. So definitely appreciate that. Quality of the hinge is also nice. Overall build quality, design, durability, everything is top notch. No compromise over here. And one more thing I do have to mention is the laptop also has like a full 180-degree hinge design. So this is super useful, especially for like college students, or maybe you're like an office goer. You give a lot of presentations in a group, right? So it can definitely help you out over there. And starting off from the upper half section, let me first tell you about the display. I've told you right, on board it comes with a 16 inches large WQXGA resolution, 240Hz OLED display. Look at the bezels as well. Bezels are also quite slim, not only on the sides but on the bottom and top profile as well. Going to the top side here, you can check out that you're getting a 5 megapixel IR webcam along with a privacy e-shutter function built in. So that was about the upper half section. Moving down, let me give you a closer look and talk about the keyboard and touchpad as well. The Legion 7i comes with their Legion True Strike keyboard, and main highlight is it features perky RGB lighting. Overall quality of the keyboard is super satisfying, guys. I've been using the laptop for the last couple of days for my day-to-day sort of requirements and had a pleasant and comfortable experience while typing on it. Look at the keycaps, quality of the keycaps, key switches quality is also nice, and they have a slight dished out sort of design. They offer a very comfortable typing experience when you're using them. And again, as I've told you, full RGB lighting is completely customizable using Legion software. You can apply variety of lighting effects and control the brightness also on the go, just like this using the function key. Coming to the touchpad quality is also nice. You're getting a premium glass covered touchpad that easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures. I didn't face any sorts of dead zones also anywhere. Quality of the touchpad is nice, and even the integrated buttons quality is also good. I know you guys are excited about the whole performance and benchmarking part, but before we directly go over there, first let me tell you about the whole display quality and built-in speakers performance. So Legion 7i packs a 16 inches WQXGA resolution, 240Hz OLED display on board. And as I've told you, I've been testing out the whole laptop for the last couple of days and binge watched variety of content over here, guys. Not just like simple videos on YouTube, but even like movies, dramas on OTT platforms like Netflix and Prime Video. And I do have to say, this is like one of the finest displays I've seen on a gaming laptop in the recent times. I mean, obviously this is like a flagship level stuff from Lenovo, right? They have not compromised on the display part. There is excellent amount of detail. 2560 by 1600 resolution at 16 inches was offering great amount of detail. Text looks crisp and clear, easily readable, guys, not an issue at all. If you ask about the contrast, now see, this is obviously an OLED panel. You're gonna get like true blacks, no compromise, with near to infinite sort of contrast ratio. So you are going to absolutely enjoy the whole gaming experience. Talking about the colors, the panel supports up to like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut range, and let me tell you, it is also factory color calibrated. So color reproduction, color accuracy, everything was like on point, guys. Just look at this primary colors over here, the reds, blues and greens. Beautiful looking colors is what I can say, and not just for entertainment or gaming purpose. Even if you're like a professional and you want to use the display maybe for like creative or productive applications, maybe you do a bit of photo editing or color grading, right? Nothing to worry about. You are going to be like super satisfied with the whole results over here. Viewing angles are also great. Picture looks the same no matter from which angle you're viewing. And coming to the brightness, the typical brightness of this panel is around like 500 nits, but let me tell you, in peak situations, right, the display can hit up to like 1100 nits, guys. And not to miss out, it is also Dolby Vision HDR compatible. So if you watch a lot of movies or dramas in like Dolby Vision HDR, you are going to be blown away with the whole experience. And coming to the audio section, I've told you, right, the laptop comes with like built-in stereo speakers, each of 2 watts, and can produce around like 4 watts of audio output. The built-in speakers performance was nice. All the dialogues are like crisp and clear, easily audible, not an issue at all. Treble performance was also nice, and mids are also like crisp and clear, guys. I didn't face any sort of muddiness in the vocals. On the overall, very satisfactory audio performance. Even the output is also like sufficient, guys. Will get your job done. Alright, then this is the part you people have been waiting for, right? So before we directly get to the benchmarks, performance and talk about all of that, first let me tell you about the whole configuration and hardware specs we are getting on our particular variant. So Lenovo's Legion 7i is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, and let me tell you, this is is a monster processor featuring 24 cores, 24 threads with a max turbo clock of up to 5.4 GHz. This is obviously based on Intel's 3D performance hybrid architecture featuring both P cores and E cores. You're getting a total of 8 P cores and 16 E cores. P core stands for performance cores and E core stands for efficiency cores. And Windows automatically assigns tasks to the respective cores depending on the type of workload or application you're doing, or depends on the scenario as well. And pair that with Nvidia's RTX 5070 GPU that offers up to like 8 gigs of GDDR7 VRAM and comes with a TGP rating of up to 115 watts, including Dynamic Boost 2.0. So our particular variant features 32 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5600 MT per second. And let me tell you, yes, this is in dual channel. You're getting 16:2 configuration, and the RAM is also easily upgradable, not an issue at all. Coming to the storage part, on board you're getting 1 TB PCI Gen 4 SSD, but not to worry about the upgradability. Yes, you're also having a spare M.2 slot as well, so you can easily expand the storage. Not to forget, since this is an AI gaming laptop, you're also getting an NPU on board, guys. Intel AI Boost that can offer up to like 13 tops of AI performance. So if you're a student, or maybe you're from AI related background and you run a lot of generative AI applications or something like that, that onboard NPU could definitely help you with your work. Not to miss out, the laptop also comes with Mux Switch and Nvidia Advanced Optimus support. Let me just quickly show you how Legion Space looks like. There you go. Here's how the home screen on the Legion Space looks like. Basically, it's like a full-on software suite that offers plenty of AI-powered customizations, guys. You can completely tune the hardware, apply lots of different settings, and even adjust the RGB lighting for your laptop. On the home screen, it shows you real-time CPU, GPU stats, RAM utilization, storage information, and plenty of other stuff, which is quite insightful, I would say. Just below that, you can choose between different system profiles. So here you can choose between quiet profile, balanced profile, performance mode, and a custom mode is also available for all the hardware enthusiasts. Not to miss out, you're also getting an option to choose the GPU working mode. You can set it to discrete GPU mode, hybrid mode is available, hybrid auto mode is also there that will automatically choose which GPU to choose depending on the current scenario and application. Also remember, just now I told you that you're also getting some interesting gaming related features included, which are Game Clip Master and Game Companion. So Game Clip Master is like an AI tool that automatically creates and records social media ready highlight clips from your gameplay, guys. For example, if you're playing Fortnite or Minecraft, right, and you get like successful hits or kills, it'll automatically video record these sort of highlights in the background, so you can use it directly on your social media for posting. Super useful is what I can say. And coming to Game Companion is like your AI sidekick. Basically, it helps you optimize the overall performance while you're playing, or whenever you get like a successful headshot or kill or something like that in the game, right, it'll cheer you on and do plenty of useful stuff. One more thing I forgot to mention is this new gen laptop also comes integrated with their LA3 plus LA1 AI chip along with Lenovo AI Engine Plus. It'll automatically detect gaming loads or maybe any sort of application you're doing and tunes the CPU and GPU using AI. I've told you, right, it comes with the AI chip on board. Keeping that aside, now let's get into the benchmarks and talk about the actual performance. I've been using this laptop for the last couple of days, right, and I have to say this is literally a monster gaming laptop. I mean, you people have seen the specs, right? Top notch stuff is what I can say. No matter what sort of application or load you throw at it, right, this laptop handles it like a champ. Ran over like a dozen edge tabs at the same time, having 1440p videos running on YouTube, browsing the web, and simultaneously photo editing as well. Nothing, no slowdowns whatsoever. Rock solid performance is what I was getting. You can even check out these benchmarks that I ran on this model. Okay, moving on, now let's get into the gaming benchmarks and check out what sort of real world performance we'll get on this laptop. So to show you people these benchmarks, we'll be playing like different AAA title games. I'll try to play like graphic intensive AAA titles only, which include Cyberpunk 2077 and also Spider-Man 2 as well, the newest edition. And we'll be playing all of these games with Nvidia technologies on and off at different resolutions. Not only at 1080p, we'll also try to play these games at its native resolution, guys, WQXGA, basically 2560 by 1600 with ray tracing, DLSS and frame generation. And then I'll show you like a comparison what sort of difference and numbers you can expect on this model. That'll give you like a total idea on the laptop's performance. So starting off with Cyberpunk 2077. Now you people know, right, Cyberpunk is a very graphic intensive game and puts a lot of load on the hardware. So we'll be playing this game at first 1920 by 1200 resolution, slightly higher than 1080p. So in this first particular test, we're playing the game at ultra graphics preset, basically maxed out, and we're not using any Nvidia technologies, no ray tracing, no DLSS, no frame generation also. I want to show you the raw rasterization performance of the hardware. Wow, are you guys looking at the results? The laptop was able to run Cyberpunk 2077 at 1080p Ultra with an average FPS of around 85 to 90, and that too without any sort of AI upscaling technology used, guys. No DLSS, no frame generation. Game feels like Muska, guys. Buttery smooth experience is what I can say. But wait, you still haven't seen the full potential of this laptop. Quickly going to the settings and enabling ray tracing, DLSS and multi-frame generation set to 4x, and bam! Now that is the kind of difference I'm talking about. Simply by enabling small settings, right, you can greatly improve the graphics and also frame rate as well. I mean, at 1080p Ultra, right, we were able to easily run Cyberpunk with around 220 to 230 FPS. Are you kidding me? Not only 1080p, let's actually check out the game's potential even at its native WQXGA resolution. Quickly bumping up the resolution and keeping the graphics preset same as before, Ultra settings only, basically maxed out. And in this particular test, we are not using any AI upscaling technologies, no DLSS, no frame generation. I want to show you the raw rasterization potential. Okay, there you go. Even at 2560 by 1600 native resolution as well, we were getting around like 55 to 60 FPS, guys. Pretty consistent and smooth gaming experience is what I can say. Now quickly enabling upscaling technologies like DLSS, ray tracing, and also multi-frame generation, and this is the kind of result I was talking about. I mean, look at this, guys. Cyberpunk 2077 running at its native resolution, that too with maximum graphics at around 160 to 170 FPS. Great AAA gaming experience over here. Not only Cyberpunk, let's also try out some other AAA titles like Spider-Man 2. And you guys know, right, Spider-Man 2 is a very graphic intensive game, puts a lot of load on the CPU and GPU. So we'll try playing this game also at different resolutions with and without AI technologies on. So right now in this first particular clip, we're playing the game at 1080p resolution, very high graphics preset, and no NVIDIA technologies, no ray tracing, no DLSS, no frame generation. And here are the results. On an average, we were getting around like 70 to 75 FPS, guys, even at very high graphics preset. Quickly enabling ray tracing, DLSS and multi-frame generation AI technologies, keeping the resolution same as before, and bam, as you can see, we were still getting around like 85 to 90 FPS, guys, even with ray tracing enabled and set to very high profile. Not only 1080p, let's quickly bump up the resolution to 2560 by 1600, keeping ray tracing, DLSS and multi-frame generation also enabled, and here are the results, guys. I mean, look at that. Even at this graphics preset also, we were still getting around like a consistent 75 to 80 FPS. If you actually have a look at the top left corner of the display, you can check out the complete CPU and GPU stats, including the thermal performance, utilization, memory requirement, and everything else. Just have a look. And let me tell you, overall thermals and hardware optimization was very well done. And remember at the beginning I've told you that this laptop comes with the Legion cold front vapor hyper chamber integrated, right? And it was actually doing a great job. So overall thermal performance was quite nice and satisfactory. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the battery life. Now guys, I'll be honest with you, just like any other gaming laptop, battery life on this model was also kind of mediocre. On board you're getting 84 watt hour lithium ion battery, and with a moderate kind of usage with the brightness set around like 50-55%, using it for day-to-day sort of activity, office work, a little bit of productivity and some casual gaming, I was roughly getting around like 4 to 4.5 hours of battery life. But good thing is Lenovo is giving like fast charging support. You're getting that super rapid charging support, right? It can quickly top up your battery from 0 to 70% within 30 minutes. Well, that's it boys, time to wrap it up. Our detailed video on Lenovo's Legion 7i gaming laptop. I hope you got all the information you were looking for, and if you have any sort of questions or you'd like to know anything, let me know in the comment section down below. Talking about the price, the pricing of this gaming laptop starts at around 2,28,291 rupees. I'll try to leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. You can visit Lenovo.com website to check out their entire range of PCs from IdeaPad, Yoga, Lock series to Legion gaming series as well. And apart from that, Lenovo also offers their customize your PC option exclusively on Lenovo.com website, where you can completely configure the device as per your specs and requirement and get your device delivered within 4 days of purchase in select locations. Apart from that, Lenovo is actually having some special back to school offers going on. So with this laptop, you get 1 year free accidental damage protection as well as 1 year of Legion Ultimate support. On top of that, you're also having some exchange offers going on where you can exchange your old laptop and get additional 5,000 rupees discount over and above the old laptop value. 1 year Perplexity Pro is also included, which is worth 20,000 rupees at only 999 guys on purchase of a new Legion laptop. And not to miss out, if you buy the laptop from select Lenovo stores offline, you can additionally get 18 months no cost EMI and also up to 15,000 rupees cash back on no cost EMI guys. So definitely check them out. I'll try to leave all the details in the description box below. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.